Next topic is properties of rectangle. It is page number 43 in my book. It is Arya Book Depot book. So yeah, maybe the page number be different in your book, new book. So topic is properties of rectangle. First, if each angle of parallelogram is 90 degree, then it is called a rectangle. If each angle of a parallelogram is 90 degree, then it is rectangle. This is the parallelogram. Question is, if this is the angle of one angle of a parallelogram, if you manage to make it 90 degree, if you manage to make a 90 degree, then this will be here and this will be here. So if one angle of a parallelogram is 90 degree, then this parallelogram is a rectangle. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a rectangle. In other words, ABCD is a parallelogram with angle A is equal to 0. Since a rectangle possesses all the properties of a parallelogram, therefore angle A is equal to angle C. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, but angle A is equal to 90 degree. Definition of the rectangle. Therefore angle C is also 90 degree. Again, since BC, that side BC is parallel to side AD and AB is their transversal, so angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree angle of the same side of a transversal are supplementary, or 90 degree plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, so angle B is equal to 90 degree. As a sum of the angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree, so angle D is also 90 degree. Why? Because all the angles of ABC is 90 degree and total is 360. So 3D is equal to angle D is equal to 360 degree minus angle A plus minus all sum of all the angles of angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 270 degree. So finally angle D is equal to 90 degree. Hence we can say that each angle of rectangle is a right angle. Second property, diagonals of a rectangle are equal and bisect each other. Diagonals of a rectangle are equal and bisect each other. Let us consider the diagonals AC and BD of the rectangle ABCD. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, and as such the diagonals of rectangle also bisect each other. Regarding the length of the diagonals AC and BD, they seems to be having equal length. Let ABCD be a rectangle with diagonals AC and BD. In triangle ABD and triangle BAC, AB is equal to AB, it is common. Angle BAD is equal to B angle ABC, each 90 degree. AD is equal to BC, opposite sides of a rectangle. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC and by SAS congruency criteria. Therefore, BD is equal to AC. Corresponding parts of the congruent triangle CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Thus, we conclude that diagonals of a rectangle are equal and bisect each other. Next page is 44 and topic is properties of rhombus. If all the four sides of a parallelogram are equal, then it is called a rhombus. If all the four sides of a parallelogram are equal, then it is called a rhombus. As rhombus is a parallelogram And from the properties of a parallelogram, we can say that the all sides of a rhombus are equal, opposite sides of a rhombus are parallel, opposite angles of a rhombus are equal, and fourth one, the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. Now let us consider the property of rhombus, namely diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Uh, Here, whatever the measurement of this side, just take here as a parallelogram. So here it is A, B, C, D. You have to prove the angles, the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. This is the property of a rhombus. Since rhombus is a parallelogram, the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. Here in book ABCD is given. So thus we have to justify that angles formed by the intersecting of the diagonals of a rhombus is a right angle. Let ABCD be rhombus whose diagonals AC and BD intersect at O in triangle AOB and COB. AB is equal to CB. Sides of a rhombus are equal. OB is equal to OB, it is common. AO is equal to CO. Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB. S congruency. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to angle COB by CPCT. This is equation number 1. But angle AOB plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree linear pair. Therefore, angle AOB plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree by using 1. Or and 2 angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. So angle AOB is 90 degree. Here you can draw this figure like here. A, B, C and D. You have to prove that diagonals are bisecting each other at 90 degree. Here in triangle AOB and COB, AOB and COB, here and here, in both the triangles you have to prove here it is a 90 degree or it is a 90 degree. So OB is equal to OB, it is common. This side is common. AB is equal to BC, it is given because it is the rhombus. And OB is equal to common, BC given, and AO is equal to OC because this rhombus ABCD is a parallelogram, and this is the property of parallelogram that the diagonals bisect each other. So whatever the value measurement of the OA, it will be equal to the measurement of OC. So AO is equal to OC, OB is equal to OB is common, AB is equal to BC because all sides are equal. So here by S congruency, both the triangles are congruent. So angle AOB is equal to angle COB by CPCT. Angle AOB. So this angle and this angle is equal. Suppose you can say this is x and this angle is x degree and this is y degree. So x degree plus y degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? This is a linear pair. So angle AOB. So x degree is equal to x degree is equal to y degree. Here angle AOB is equal to angle BOA, BOC. You say x degree and you say y degree. So x is equal to degree to y degree. This implies x degree is equal to 90 degree. So this is the 90 degree. This and it is proved.